Okay, so what I have here is yet another ficus. This one is not the one with the triangle leaves. Instead, it has this almost rounded, very shiny set of leaves. I'm gonna be doing some heavy cuttings on this tree. I also wanted to transfer this tree to another container. So when we look down here, we have a fork here which basically constitutes most of the roots. There are no more roots from the back or from here, so most of the tiny fibrous roots comes below these two. As you can see, this one, there are already some smaller roots growing out. We can expect the same as well from here. Other than that, there is none. Originally this was planted on a rock, but it got toppled over, so I transferred it to this container, and this is how it looks now. As for the main leader, I'm looking at this particular tripod here, this one, because of the natural movement that it has, and then I'm gonna chop it off right here to allow this section to grow as the new leader for taper and ramification and movement as well. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this one, that section over there. This one is just too weak and it's out of place, so I'm gonna remove it, allow the tree to focus its vigor on the remaining branches. So I think that's it. Yeah, I think there's so much promise and potential that this tree has, but needs a lot of work for it to recover. I think that's it. I'm gonna cut this one area right here, this one, and then you decide. I don't know, that one at the back is too weak as well. If we're going to remove that, maybe we can have this one as develop this one as kind of like the back branch. We can wire that later going back to give us perspective of this area right here. That's a possibility if we were gonna keep this one as our first branch. We will see. I think we will keep this one, that one. We'll remove the weak one at the back, this one right here, and then we'll develop the rest of the tree from there. Okay, so I'm guessing, I think the age of this tree is somewhere around 7 or 8 years old. I think more than that. I have this in a very small container, which is why its growth was very, very slow. It has already gone through various changes of its intended design. I originally planted this again on a root over rock design and cascading. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna cut off. The first branch that will go will have to be this one. So we're gonna cut it here flush. There we go. That's the first one. This second one is this thick branch right here. I'm gonna cut it here for now. Because, we don't know. Probably we can have that as a first branch instead of this one, because at least it's thicker. Problem is it's almost as thick as the main branch that we intended to develop, this one. So I don't know, maybe we could remove it completely, but I'm deciding against it for now. Okay, so the next that we have to go is going to be this one. I'm going to cut it a little bit here. There you go. So now we have this as the new leader. this one, the weak branch at the back. Remove it, so there you go. Okay, so now we have our tree looking like this. So this is how the tree looks now. Yeah, I've eliminated those two branches coming off here. I've shortened this one up. I left this one for growth. The other one at the back I also removed. We also shortened this one. We leave this as the one that we're going to be training for the new leader later on. Okay, so that's how the tree looks now. I haven't decided yet whether I would repot this tree today or not, but the condition of the container right now is just so bad, so I don't know. I would probably go for a repot of this tree. These ficuses are very hardy. They will survive harsh treatments like that. Okay, so I think I would go for a repot. I'll post a picture of it when it's done. But this is how the tree looks now. I'm opting for this as the front. You can always wire this into position later or remove it completely and have this one develop as the first branch, because this one we are going to be wiring that to that direction, so we can have that twisting motion of the trunk. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it for this tree today. I will give an update on this by the time I get back on June. Okay, so I'll post a picture of the repotted tree along with this video as well.